How to clean up your iPhone before selling it. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your Apple account at the very top of the screen. From this page, go to the very end and tap on Sign Out. From the pop-up, tap on Sign Out but don't erase, then tap on Continue. Now, go back to the Settings page and tap on the General option. General manages your overall setup and preferences for iPhone. Inside the General menu, scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. On the next screen, tap on Erase all content and settings at the bottom. Tap on Continue at the bottom to proceed with the factory reset. Following these steps, you can easily clean up your iPhone before selling it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.